Saan tayo pupunta ngayon? Pupunta tayo sa Tanay para kunin yung lisensya ko. Kasi mag-iisang taon na hindi ko pa rin nakukuha. Nahuli kasi ako nung ilang ben, nakarang taon nung nagmotor ako. Hiniram ko yung motor ng kapatid ko. Tapos ayun, na-tsempohan. Marilaki, open pipe. Check lang natin kung paano yung proseso ng pagkuha. Sobrang traffic. Grabe sir. Malabo kong makuha ngayon ah. Go. Esa. Antipolo.
Here, let me break it down. Yeah, I'm gonna make it now. Give me some time and you'll see me up on stage tonight. I'm working every day, I'm working hella late. I'm working cause it's worth it. Once you make it, then you pay. I'm never slowing down, I'm gonna own this time. Live by the saying that your time is lost but never found. Let's go another round, make them give up the crown. Nah, I ain't playing, man, I'll take it, so just give it now. Yeah, I'm gonna work hard, play hard.
Yun, hindi na nga ako maabot. Nalanganin na. Pero sinadya ko pa rin para malaman ko na rin kung magkano. Bali 1,000 pa rin daw. Tapos kailangan mo pa rin mag-surrender ng kahit anong open muffler. Ayun, balik ako bukas. Siguro ganito na lang gagawin ko. Hahanap na lang din ako dito ng mabibilan para hindi ko nabibitbitin. O hindi na ako maghahanap doon sa Maynila, tapos dadaling ko pa. Buti nakakita ako 300 dito sa area na to. Balikan ko bukas.
First card, ace hard. Yeah, they know I play smart, play hard. We don't have the same star, we don't have the same cards. Yeah, it's not the hand that you dealt. Nah, it's how you prove it to yourself. Nah, you don't need any wealth.
Eto na. Kunin ko na yung tambutso. 300 pesos. Tapos diretso tayo sa munisipyo ng Tanay. Sana talaga 1K lang.
Card excel. Yeah, don't be looking for their help. Look inside of yourself for the wealth. Keep your mind and your body in good health. And keep working for nobody but yourself. Yeah, you can make it one day. Don't be listening what anybody say. They got the wrong state of mind, okay. Most of the time they won't help anything. Head down, I ain't gonna stop now. Got no time to have doubts. I'm gonna make it somehow. I'm gonna keep my head down. I ain't gonna stop now. Got no time to have doubts. I'm gonna make it somehow. I'm gonna keep my head down. Till I make it, yeah. Yeah, I'll be okay. Oh, I'll be okay. I'm gonna fight, never giving up. Yeah, I'll be okay. Oh, I'll be okay. Cause I know just what I'm capable of. You can leave if that's not enough. I believe in never giving up. I don't need someone to help me out. Yeah, I work harder than the rest, smarter than the best. Every day is a test, but I stay obsessed. Maintain progress, keep away from the stress, cause I want nothing less, yeah. I keep moving on, every single day is another gone. Every single day write another song, so one day I'll play with the best is on. Okay, I know my path, not just an artist, I'm doing math. Not just charting, I have to add, cause I'm not just an art kid, I'm a brand. So I'm working hard, thinking smart, taking action with passion and using heart. Getting traction, reactions are just a start. No distractions, attract them to your heart, yeah. Head down, keep my head down. I ain't gonna stop now. Got no time.
Ha? Open muffler?
Opo, kahit ano, di ba sabi ko sa inyo, kahit anong open map clear.
Kasi tatanong niya, bakit hinuli niya ito eh? Hindi naman...
Open map clear ang tanong.
Ganun po ba?
Kahit anong open map clear. Basta
Open
magdala
map
po kayo
clear.
dito. Diyan sa mga junk shop sir, makakabili naman kayo sir.
Meron ba dito?
Oo,
Hanapin.
Tatanong niya sa chop-shop.
Papalitan nyo na lang.
Papalitan ko na lang.
Magdagdag kaya kahit kukunti.
Ah.
Ito lang sir, dito tumbok na ito yung sa...
Ah.
Makalampas lang konti ng gamo sir, yung kanan doon.
Lalabas ulit ako?
Hindi sir, ito lang.
Ito?
Kaliwa lang kayo dito, diretso lang.
Diretso lang.
Oo sir.
Sa kaliwang side o ano?
Kanan sir.
Kanan,
Bago
sige.
dumating ng ano, ng data hardware.
Ah, sige, sige. Balik ako. Papalit ko lang. Thank you, thank you.
Paano? May ano kayo? Rugtong.
Oo.
Pwede dito. Putulin dyan, isuksok mo dyan oh.
Sir, kukunin na.
To have doubts, I'm gonna make it somehow. I'm gonna keep my head down. I ain't gonna stop now. Got no time to have doubts. I'm gonna make it somehow.
Meron niya.
Opo.
Sa treasury na lang.
Balik na lang po ako dito. Salamat.
Salamat. Pantay na lang po. Ano po?
Gonna keep my head down.
Ay, sige. Saan po, paper mo? Diyan. Ito po.
Ito, puresa pa.
Oo nga po.
Malapit sa mga PRC ah.
Oh. Okay na sir na. Salamat po.
Ingat ka sir.
Salamat. Yun. Mission accomplished. Kuha ko na. 500 lang pala yung babayaran. Hindi 1K. So yun. Bali ang nagastos ko 1K din halos lahat. Kasi yung unang nabili kong 300 yan eh. Tapos pinaputol ko. Tapos yun, nakahanap ako ng open muffler na maiksi. Kaya nangyari, pinaputol ko, yun, nagbayad ako ng 200. So lahat 1,000. Yes. Woo!